Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. This is Chavi Sompura with an update on Indian weather. Delhi records highest rainfall in the last decade in August. August 2024 is shaping up to be one of the wettest months in the national capital, with the city recording 269.9 mm of rainfall so far, marking the highest rainfall in the last decade, according to the data from the Indian Meteorological Department. Delhi received 269.9 millimeters of rainfall by August 22, surpassing the previous high recorded in August 2014, according to the data from the IMD. In addition to the total rainfall, the number of rainy days in Delhi has also exceeded expectations. The mean number of rainy days, defined as days with more than 2.4 mm of rainfall, is typically 10.2 days for August in the Safdarganj area. However, this year has already seen 11 rainy days by August 22, indicating the unusual intensity of this year's monsoon. The IMD data reveals that before 2024, the highest August rainfall in recent years was recorded in 2013 with 321 mm and in 2012 with 378 mm. The record for August rainfall in Delhi stands at 583.3 mm in 1961. According to the IMD data. Meanwhile, Delhi on Thursday recorded a maximum temperature of 36.6 degrees Celsius, 2.4 notches above the normal, according to the weather department. The humidity level stood at 62% at 5:30 p.m. The IMD had forecasted a generally cloudy sky and light rain accompanied by thunderstorm for Friday, with maximum and minimum temperatures expected to settle at 36 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius respectively. The all-time record for August rainfall in Delhi stands at 583.3 millimeters in 1961, according to the IMD data. Meanwhile, Delhi on Thursday recorded a maximum temperature of 36.6 degrees Celsius, according to the weather department. The humidity level stood at 62% at 5:30 p.m. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.